Namaskar. I welcome all of you to the India Meteorological Department daily weather briefing. Myself, Arul Alan. Let us see what happened in the last 24 hours. Uh, Over the Tamil Nadu region, we observed the rainfall. Few rainfall like Nagapattinam and Vedaraniam 7 centimeter, Tirupoondi 5 centimeter, and Shanti Niketan 2 centimeter, and then Arunachal Pradesh Anini region 5 centimeter. The cold wave condition observed in the isolated pockets over the Uttar Pradesh. This is satellite imagery, the cloud picture. We can see that a western disturbance trough over this region at 500 hectopascal, that is a 5.8 kilometer above mean sea level, runs along the 87-degree longitude and 25-degree latitude. And also the MJO location, MJO is right now in the phase 3, and due to that activity can be seen over the Indian Ocean region, and we can see that cloud patches over the offshore of Sri Lankan region as well as the Tamil Nadu region. Now let's see about the forecast and warnings. The trough in the, as we discussed, the trough in the westerly runs along the 87 longitude and 27-degree latitude. It's very likely to cause the following weather phenomena. Isolated to scattered light and moderate rainfall with thunderstorm and lightning very likely over sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Sikkim during next 2 days. Also scattered to fairly widespread rainfall very likely over Arunachal Pradesh and Assam, Meghalaya during next 2 days. Isolated hailstorm also may likely over sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Sikkim and Assam today on 11th February 2022. The strong winds greater than 25 to 35 km per hour very likely over Punjab, Haryana and West Uttar Pradesh during next 2 days. As I already mentioned that MJO is over the Indian Ocean phase 3 for the next 10 days. Let's see how the weather will be over Tamil Nadu region. Due to that MJO location, that a strong northeasterly winds or prevailing over coastal Tamil Nadu in lower tropospheric levels, it is likely to continue next 2 days. Under its influence, isolated to scattered rainfall very likely over Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, Karaikal and Kerala, Mehe during next 2 days. Isolated thunderstorm along with the lightning also likely over Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, Karaikal, Kerala and Meha during next 2 days. Heavy rainfall at isolated places very likely over south coastal Tamil Nadu during next 2 days. Warning has been issued. Under the influence of fresh feeble western disturbance, isolated to scattered light rain, snowfall very likely over Jammu, Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit-Baltistan, Muzaffarabad during 13th to 15th February, and also over Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand on 15th February 2022. Under the influence of another western disturbance, scattered to fairly widespread light rainfall, snowfall very likely over western Himalayan region and light isolated to scattered rainfall over plains of northwest India from 17th to 20th February 2022. Let's see about the temperature and fog conditions. No significant changes in the minimum temperature very likely over most part of the northwest and central India during next 48 hours and a gradual rise by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius thereafter. Gradual fall in the minimum temperature by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius very likely over most parts of the East India during next 3 days, and further there is no significant change. Cold day and cold wave conditions very likely in the isolated pockets of Madhya Pradesh during next 2 days. Dense fog conditions very likely in the isolated places over Assam and Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura during next 24 hours, and over Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Haryana, Chhattisgarh, Delhi during night and morning hours of 13th to 15th February 2022. The same warning has been shown in the picture like today 11th February Fog and low visibility warning is issued over this Assam, Meghalaya region, and thunderstorm lightning activity warning is issued over the Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. This is a northeast regions. And cold wave condition warning has been issued over the both the west and the east Madhya Pradesh. And over the Tamil Nadu region, heavy rainfall and along with the thunderstorm activity warning is issued over Tamil Nadu for today and also tomorrow, that we can see in here. And thunderstorm activity can be seen, warning has been issued over the Kerala region for both today and tomorrow. And for the cold wave condition issued over Madhya Pradesh for today and tomorrow. And fog and low visibility condition issued for next 3 days, from tomorrow onwards, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, and on 14th. Over this belt, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, and west and east Uttar Pradesh. On 13th, Bihar region also, the warning has been issued. And there is no warning on 15th over the entire country. And as we recommend that we are recommending for you to download the Android and iOS Mosam app, Domini app, Meghdoot app. Stay tuned. Thank you.